Hi dear friends, once again welcome to my YouTube channel PDS Classes. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter of Footprints Without Feet, The Triumph of Surgery. It is written by James Herriot. He himself was a veterinary doctor. Look at the introduction of the writer. James Alfred White is known by the pen name James Herriot. Here, one word is given to you, pen name. It generally refers for the name by which a writer writes his articles, books and other form of literature. He was a British veterinary surgeon and a writer. After graduation, White moved back to England and became a veterinarian in the Yorkshire Dales for almost 50 years. He used to experience to write a series of 8 books about animals and their owners. Here we have come to one fact that the writer himself is a vet and he has written his own experience in the form of this chapter, which is entitled as The Triumph of Surgery. Let us move to the next slide. Before moving forward into the chapter, you are requested to go through these words so that you are able to remember the answers and the required vocabulary. Look at the first word. The first word is blotted. Blotted का मतलब होता है swollen. हिंदी में इसे कहते हैं फूला हुआ. अगर कोई भी चीज फूल जाती है तो वो blotted कहलाती है. In the context of this chapter, the dog Tricky is considered as swollen. The next word is sausage. Sausage means a mixture of finely chopped and cooked meat. मांस का एक बढ़िया सा टुकड़ा that is known as sausage. Since the dog was swollen, it looked like a piece of meat. The third word is bloodshot. Bloodshot means full of red lines. Generally it happens when your eyes are affected by it, there are red lines in your eyes, that is known as bloodshot. The fourth word is rheumy. Rheumy word refers for the wet eyes. In the chapter you will come to know that the dog Tricky suffered from rheumatism, in which water used to come from his eyes regularly. The fifth word is stare. Stare it means looked intently. किसी भी person की तरफ घूर कर देखना, that is known as stare. The fifth word is listless, lifeless. ऐसा व्यक्ति या जानवर जिसमें आपको लगे कि इसमें जीवन जीने की कोई इच्छा न हो या जिसमें जान न दिखाई दे, that person is known as listless person. Generally, the lazy people are considered as listless figures. The seventh word refers for malnutrition. It refers for the lack of good diet or food. जब आपके खाने में required nutrients की कमी हो, तब यह malnutrition कहलाता है. Generally, it is a term of science. Look at the word severe. Severe का मतलब होता है harsh. It generally refers for the condition. जिंदगी में जब परिस्थितियां मुश्किल हो, then we can call severe condition. The ninth word is concern. Concern का मतलब होता है worry या चिंता करना. Generally आपके जो parents हैं, they are concerned about you. The 10th word is wardrobe. The word wardrobe refers for cupboard. Cupboard वह place है generally you keep all of your clothes. Struggled on, it means a person who is not able to walk easily or conveniently. 12th word is panting. Panting को हिंदी में कहते हैं हाँफना. जब आप दौड़ कर आते हैं और एक जगह पर जैसे ही रुकते हैं, then you breathe with difficulty, that is known as panting. 13th word is hospitalized, which means admitted to a hospital. The 14th word is fortnight. You have to remember it. Dear friends, a period of 15 days, जिसको हिंदी में पखवाड़ा भी कहते हैं, वह समय fortnight कहलाता है. जो डॉग है इसमें ट्रिकी, he is hospitalized for 15 days or fortnight. Let us move to the main events of this chapter. I hope you were able to understand the given vocabulary. Please learn it for better performance in your examination. Theme and central idea of this chapter. This forms your long answer type questions. It is a very good chapter giving us message. The first point says, it talks about the silly and negligent behavior of rich people like Mrs. Pomfrey. You will find one female character here who is Mrs. Pomfrey. She is a rich lady and she owns a dog. उसके पास एक डॉग है, उस डॉग का नाम है ट्रिकी. She overcares the dog and thinks that the dog is malnutrition and she gives him more and more to eat. Ultimately, the dog becomes sick or ill. She represents those characters or those parents who do not know the proper diet of their wards or the animals. The second point says exercise and proper meal are important for one's health. दोस्तों यह एकदम सही है. Whether it is human being or they are animals, चाहे जानवर हो चाहे इंसान हो, इन सब की एक नेचुरल डाइट होती है जिसको फॉलो किया जाना चाहिए. हिंदी में भी कहा गया है अति सर्वत्र वर्ज्यते. अगर आप किसी भी चीज को ज्यादा क्वांटिटी में लेंगे, अल्टीमेटली यू आर गोइंग टू सफर. द लिटल इज लाइफ, द मोर इज पॉइजन. Same happens, the dog Tricky, who is given more and more food, ultimately becomes sick. It could lead to the loss of his life. Point number 3 says, be less glutton. The word glutton means पेटू. जी हाँ, वह आदमी और जानवर जो ज़्यादा खाए. One who is greedy of food is known as glutton. Be less glutton and avoid luxury-loving attitude. Do not love luxury. शरीर जितना ज़्यादा चलेगा उतने आप लंबे जिएंगे और शरीर जितना कम चलेगा आपका लाइफ स्पान उतना ही छोटा हो जाएगा. The same is referred for human beings as well as animals. So dear friends, avoid luxury. This is also a message. The last and the fourth point says, do not keep a pet if the diet and physical aspect of the pets are unknown to you. अगर आपको नहीं पता है किसी भी एनिमल की न्यूट्रिशनल फूड रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है, प्लीज डोंट ब्रिंग दैट पेट एट योर होम. आपके द्वारा दी गई गलत डाइट, it can be dangerous for that animal and might be that it can take the life. Dear friends, we have no right to take the life of any animal. So be careful, get a proper knowledge, do a study before bringing any pet in your home. Now there are certain points that you have to remember in the progress of the story. Look at the first point. The first point talks about Dr. Harriet. ये आपके स्टोरी का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट कैरेक्टर है. He is the vet. वेट का मतलब होता है वह पर्सन जो जानवरों का डॉक्टर हो. तो ही इज राइटर ऑल्सो, नरेटर ऑल्सो, वेटरिनेरियन. डॉक्टर हैरियट वॉज रियली वरिड टू सी द डॉग ट्रिकी. ट्रिकी आपकी स्टोरी का सेकेंड कैरेक्टर है. इट इज अ डॉग. द डॉग इज ओवरफेड, द डॉग इज ओवर केयर्ड. जरूरत से ज़्यादा इसका ध्यान रखा जाता है. अल्टीमेटली इट बिकम्स सिक. The second point, he was very fat. The dog was very fat. Mrs. Pomfrey, who is the mistress of the house and the keeper of the dog, she was overfeeding him. यहाँ पर आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है कि वह उसे ओवरफीड क्यों कर रही थी. उसका मानना था that the dog is suffering with malnutrition. इसमें nutrients की कमी है. That's why she was giving him extra food between his meals, and that became the greatest cause of the sickness of the dog. The third point says Dr. Harriot found that the only fault of Tricky was the greed for food. Yes, the dog himself was responsible for his own condition. दो फैक्टर रेस्पॉन्सिबल हो गए दोस्तों. पहली तो है मिस्ट्रेस ऑफ द होम, सी वाज ओवर फीडिंग. इधर भाई साहब ट्रिकी हैं, जो डॉग हैं वह भी खाने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ते हैं. ही कैन नॉट से नो टू द फूड, दैट इज हिज ग्रेटेस्ट मिस्टेक. तो अगर आपको पूछा जाए कौन जवाबदार है फॉर द सिकनेस ऑफ द डॉग और द एलमेंट ऑफ द डॉग, योर आंसर शुड बी द मिस्ट्रेस ऑफ द हाउस as well as the dog. Fourth point says the doctor advised Mrs. Pumphrey to cut down his food rightly and give him exercise daily. But the dog was not ready to move with the servant to go for the exercise. And Mrs. Pumphrey, she was not ready to cut down the diet of the dog. अब वो डॉग कैसे रिकवर होगा? Within few days, the doctor received a call from Mrs. Pumphrey. सलाह का कोई असर नहीं हुआ, डॉग की कंडीशन खराब होती गई, and ultimately Tricky, the dog, was not eating anything. It was vomiting again and again. Now Mrs. Pumphrey became worried. चिंता होने लगी कि अब मेरे डॉग का क्या होगा, and she made a call to the doctor. Ultimately, the doctor reaches there and take the dog to the surgery. Look at the sixth point. Dr. Harriot suggested her to hospitalize the dog for about fortnight. Dear friends, I have already told you fortnight refers for a period of 15 days. We move forward to our next slide. There are also certain points to remember. You have to remember them. Look at the point number 6. At the surgery. The word surgery refers for the place where Mr. Harriot has taken the dog. It is a place where the animals are treated here. At the surgery for 2 days, Dr. Harriot kept an eye on Tricky and gave him no food but plenty of water. आपको उस प्रोसेस को ध्यान रखना है जिस तरीके से उस डॉग को क्योर किया गया और ट्रीट किया गया. The first part was there. The doctor was very intelligent. He did not give any food but gave a plenty of water for the first 2 days. Next day, the doctor was pleased to see Tricky jostling his way to food bowl. Actually, doctor used to place the bowl of the food for the dogs. When Tricky was brought out, the dog moved towards the bowl and they took their amount of the food that was there. Tricky could not struggle in this context. But later it happened that, like a brave dog, he ran towards the bowl of the dog because hunger made him to do so. No medical treatment was given to Tricky. Friends, you have to remember, it is the most important aspect. There is no operation. There was no operation and the animal got well. That's why the chapter has been entitled as The Triumph of Surgery. So ध्यान रखना दोस्तों, कोई ऑपरेशन नहीं हुआ है, न ही कोई मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट दिया गया है. One day, Dr. Harriot found Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky had recovered and she could take him home. It was after 15 days that Mr. Harriot called the mistress to pick up the dog once again. Within 2 weeks, that is approx 15 days, Tricky was transformed into a flexible and hard-muscled animal. A word has been used, lithe. A hard-muscled animal is known as lithe. So dear friends, शुरू में तो वो बड़ा ही मोटा सा डॉग था, but ultimately the dog was completely changed. Looking at the condition of the dog, Mrs. Pumphrey remarked that it is the triumph of surgery. Look at the 11th point. When the dog saw his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, he leaped and reached to her lap. The dog was very happy once again to move to her mistress. She called it a triumph of surgery. This is the statement. तो अब आपको ध्यान रखना है, अगर पूछा जाए आपसे कि मिसेस पंफ्रे ने ये रिमार्क क्यों दिया, she remarked at the success of the efforts of Mr. Harriet. जो कोशिश मिस्टर हैरियट ने की है, उन एफर्ट्स को आपको डिस्क्राइब करना है and it will form your answer that how it was a triumph of surgery. I hope you were able to understand the main content of the story. For more updates, please visit to the next video. Thank you. Jai Hind.